out of advertising network programs and provide consumer redress from abuse like Yahoo. Okay, most internet businesses do little to protect the privacy of their customer, and customers do not do as much as they should to protect themselves. Websites collect all this information but do not let users have access. Policies are unclear and they share data with affiliates. Web trackers are ubiquitous and users are not informed of trackers on the page they visit. A data use policy simply tells customers how the information will be used without any mention of right. Okay, for the last is technical solutions have failed to protect users from being tricked as they move from one site to another. Their browser will send a request to website requesting the user behavior not be tracked. No online advertising industry agreement on how to respond to do not track requires, nor currently any legislation requiring websites to stop tracking. Private browser encryption software or app on mobile device provide consumer a powerful opportunity to at least keep their message private. Okay, next is property rights such as intellectual property. Okay, is considered to be tangible products of the mind created by individuals or corporations. Has made it difficult to protect intellectual property because computerized information can be so easily copied or distributed on networks. Is subject to a variety of protection under three legal traditions like trade secrets, copyright, and patent law. Okay, first is trade secrets. Any intellectual product is a formula, device, patent, method of manufacture or compilation of data is used for a business purpose can be classified as a trade secret. Trade secret is laws grant a monopoly on the ideas behind a work product, but it can be a very tenuous monopoly. Software that contains novel or unique elements, procedures, or complication can be included as a trade secret. Trade secret law is protects the actual ideas in a work product, not only their manifestation. Okay, next is copyright. Copyright is an statutory grant that protects creators of intellectual property from having their work copied by others. Copyright protection is books, lectures, dramas, musical composition, maps, drawings, artwork of any kind, and motion pictures has been to encourage creativity and authorship by ensuring that creative people receive the financial and other benefits of their work. Copyright protection is that the underlying ideas behind a work are not protected, only their manifestation in work. Okay, next is A competitor can use your software, understand how it works, and build new software that follows the same concepts without infringing on a copyright. The defendants countered that the idea of overlapping windows can be expressed only in a single way and therefore was not protectable under the match doctrine of copyright law. Look and feel copyright infringement lawsuits are precisely about the distinction between an idea and its expression. The court found that similar concept, function, general functional features, and colors are not protected by copyright law. Okay, next is patents. A patent grants the owner an exclusive monopoly on the ideas behind an invention. Patent law was to ensure that inventors of new machine, device, or methods. The granting of a patent is determined by the United States Patent and Trademark Office and released on court rulings. The key concepts in patent law are originality, novelty, and invention. Okay, last is the pattern of the strength of patent protection is that it grants a monopoly on the underlying concept and ideas of software. Some call patent trial of the century is Apple sued Samsung for violating its patent for iPhone, iPads, and iPods. Okay, for the challenge to intellectual property rights, challenge to existing intellectual property regime and therefore create significant ethical, social, and political issues. Using networks, information can be more widely reproduced and distributed. The proliferation of digital networks, including the Internet, has made it even more difficult to protect intellectual property. The Internet was designed to transmit information freely around the world, like copyright information. Okay, the last is information can be illicitly copied from one place and distributed through other systems. Network, even though these parties do not willingly participate in the infringement. The Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or DMCA, is implemented a World Intellectual Property Organization treaty that makes it illegal to circumvent technology-based protection of copyrighted material. Individuals have been illegally copying and distributing digital music files on the internet for several sites like Napster or Napster or Mega Upload. Okay, that's all. Thank you.